All right, let's untangle the alphabet soup of business improvement from BPM and TQM to Lean and Six Sigma. And hey, you're not alone. These terms get mixed up all the time, but they're actually quite different. So here's the plan. We're going to use BPM as our home base and compare everything else to it. Okay, first up is our central hub, business process management. Think of it as the OS for your business. It's this big picture approach. It looks at the whole process, from start to finish, to boost performance. Yeah, some even call modern BPM a third wave because it's shifted focus from just data to the processes. So if you remember one thing about BPM, it's this: holistic management. It's about the whole thing. So where does total quality management fit in? Well, it's kind of the granddaddy of modern methods. TQM is all about creating a culture of quality. The idea is that everyone owns it. So what's the difference? Well, BPM manages the entire process, while TQM builds the culture around it. Okay, next up, Six Sigma. Think of it as TQM's data-obsessed cousin. Six Sigma is all about hunting down defects with data. The goal? Near perfection and rock-solid consistency. And it's super structured. It uses this 5-step process called DMAIC to systematically crush problems. So you see, BPM is the framework that manages the whole thing, and Six Sigma is a tool within it. Now, if Six Sigma's enemy is defects, Lean's public enemy number one is waste. The whole idea behind Lean is simple: create more value for the customer with way fewer resources. And Lean gets really specific, targeting waste everywhere, from wasted motion to making way too much stuff. So you could totally use Lean to trim the fat, then bring in BPM to automate that slick new process. Okay, last but not least, where does operations management fit into this whole picture? Operations management is the big umbrella. It's about running the entire business as efficiently as possible. Right? So think of operations management as the whole stadium, and BPM is like a star player on the field. Okay, let's put it all together. You can see each one has a totally different goal and focus. So the big takeaway? These aren't rival theories. They're all different tools in the same toolkit. So the real question is, which one of these lenses could totally transform the way you work?